Oops. Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another video. So, we are going to do a bead haul. Yes, I have been down the rabbit hole again, you guys. Yes, I have been. And so I had to jump down it, right? Yikes. Okay. So, what I've been doing is making these. It's very early in the morning. I'm sorry about the shadows and the glare and all that. You know the drill. So yeah, these are little pens and they're beaded pens and you click them, they write really nice. Oh, I love them. And so these have been so fun to make with a little charm on them. Oh my goodness. And I got the original idea from this pen that my dear friend Brooke sent me years ago. I just love it, okay? So like I said, I went down the rabbit hole and I saw a bunch of videos of people making these and I had to just jump on in and make some for my friends. So cute, so cute. I will have a video on how I make them coming up. So be sure to check that out. And the way that you can check it out, of course, is by hitting all the buttons. Yes, hit all those buttons. Hit the like, the subscribe, the share, the hype, the all that jazz, okay? So you don't miss out. Now, I will have all the links of the items below. All of this came, I do believe, from Amazon, okay? So we're just gonna scooch the bag or the basket aside and we'll go and let me show you what I got. I will let you know, it's kind of like a review. I will let you know, whoops, my shadow again, what I like and don't like, okay? Let's get the sample. Where'd my sample pen go? All right, here is the box of little bows, okay? I'm having a love-hate relationship with this because I put them on for charms. First, I thought that they would go up here, right? Like this one here. Like I love this little bow. I'm gonna have to search for those online. But but they don't because of the way that this little ribbon, you know? So I had to get some beads for my own stash to make my own little charm. And it did work out in the end, and that's I think how I'm just gonna use these bows. If you can tell, there's like, I don't even know how many, quite a lot. Okay, we'll leave that over there. So let's see here if it even says. No, it does not. It says focal beads and bows. And so when you're looking online, if you do, I have in no way am I telling you to buy any of this stuff at all. That is certainly not my intention. But if you're wanting to do this as a craft project, then, check the links below. And they come with a lot, okay? They come with a lot. So there's that. Just put that right up there. All right, let's see what's next. Well, the base of the pens, right? I'm sorry about all of this. Okay, so they come in, sorry about the noise. Oy. Okay. Let's just get these out here. Okay, they come with, a bunch of different colors, right? All glittery and gorgeous, okay? If you like that sort of thing. So they come with the pen itself, and then this right here is the little, bar that you string your beads on, and then a cap at the end, right? And so you get a whole ton of them, and you do get ink refills for the pens, and you get these little things, a Ziploc bag that you can put them in to give as gifts or sell or whatever. The only thing is that I have to tell you, which is quite odd to me, when I went to go put this in here, it does not fit with the charm on it, okay? Like so I'm not really sure how useful this thing is unless you're not putting a charm on, okay? So there you have that. Just an FYI, but love these, love all the colors, and they're just super, super fun and glittery and beautiful. Okay. Then I got this right here. Oh, my lands. Okay, I'm going to have fuzzy beads for a lifetime, all right? And this actually comes with 200 pieces. Now, obviously, the more you get like in bulk, the better the price. So, but then of course you're left with, 200 fuzzy beads, which is perfectly fine by me. And then those go, as one of your beads on here. So yes, nice. Oh, you know what else comes with the pens? Let me just see in here where they are. Okay. It comes with these little things here. I don't know if you can see them. See, they're like they're like spacers, like little gem spacers. And so like on here, I put it right there. So you can see it there, and I have one up here. Yeah. So those are nice little spacers, and they come with the pens. That comes with the pen kit, okay? So I have these to put on as well. And then I got this bag here, and again, these are called focal beads, right? You can use them for bracelets, earrings, you can use them for the pens, you can use them for, like if you're making, people call them pokey tools, to like pick stickers or to use anything, I guess, that you're poking. And they come in all this rainbow of colors, right? So again, this one has 180 pieces of focal beads. So if you're wanting to do a craft project for this and you're looking up things, look up focal beads. Now, a lot of these beads in here, I do believe are 20 millimeter, and they're so cute, right? Like, I don't know if you can see all that, but they come like faceted, they come frosted, they come plain, they come with little jewel bits on it. They come, what's that? Oh, that's another faceted one. So pretty, right? So pretty. And they come all in the rainbow colors. So super, super cute. And then, like I was saying, like some of these bigger ones, these are 20 millimeter. And then the smaller ones are 16 millimeter. I would like to get more 16 millimeter because, see, when you're using the 20 millimeter, you can only fit 2 beads on here. And then you can't even fit a 16 millimeter. I mean, like, unless I rearranged it and took out the fuzzy thing or did different spacers or whatever the case is, right? But just so you know, I think I would prefer the 16 millimeter, perhaps. I'm not sure. Yeah. We'll have to experiment at a later date. So I love all these because of all the beautiful colors. They're just so, so nice. You have, I see reds and purples and blues and greens. There is a white one, and I do believe there's a black one. Yeah, and they're like, some of them are iridescent and glittery, and oh my goodness, just so much fun. So much fun. Again, sorry for the noise. So we're gonna put all that in there. And again, this is 180 pieces of focal beads, okay, for beading. Oh, here's another one I made. So this is super cute. Put the little fuzzy right in the middle with a red faceted and some little red spacers and a glittery red one. Oh, I love this one. The only thing it's missing is a little charm. So I'll have to remedy that. Oops, here's the black one. See the black beads and iridescent ones, so cute. We'll put that in there. Let me see here. I did get these as well, and these, in my opinion, are essential if you're gonna put charms on, okay? If you're gonna put charms on, and I will have the link below. And can I tell you, with as many, sorry again for the noise, with as many videos as I watched, not very many showed how to attach a charm. I will find the video that set me over the edge, okay? And I will put it in the links below. Because she was the only one that actually linked what she used and how she did it, right? So I think if you're gonna put a charm on it, this is essential, okay? These are little spacer beads. I've been using this one here because it takes up a lot less room. See, it's not very thick. These are thicker, so it just all depends on how much space you have and all that. Yeah, so if you're gonna put a charm on it, like I did on this one, it is essential to have a link like this to attach your jump ring to and attach your charm to. This comes, I don't know how many pieces, but you can see it comes with a lot. They do have silver ones, they do have gold ones. And like I said, it's essential if you're gonna put a charm on it. I remember this charm only had like a jump ring on it. And so every time I twisted things on the pen, of course, the jump ring would bend and break and my charm would fall off. So I went ahead and added one to this one, and now my charm won't fall off. So I will find the link to that original video and let you know, okay? And then this one here as well, I did not open this, but if you can see here are some gold spacers, right? So that's just, you know, depending on what size bead you're using, if you just got a little bit of extra space and your little twisty top isn't attaching, you know, correctly, or you have a little tiny bit of space and you don't want to put a spacer, you can put one of these spacers. Yeah. And, oh, I did get these as well. And these are beautiful. They're called Beaded 100 pieces, macrame. These are actually for hair. And I'm going to have to work with these. Again, sorry for the noise. They're beautiful, beautiful beads. I'll use them for something. But see, it has a larger hole. So I don't know. I'll have to play with these when I'm making the pens to see if they actually work. But because the hole is big, I'm afraid it might kind of slide around a little bit. However, the furry beads have bigger holes as well. So I'll just have to experiment, but these are like watercolor ones. They're just gorgeous. And so, yeah, so I got those. And if I don't use them for this, then I'll use them for something else. But they are beautiful. So there you have it. There's the bead haul. Again, the pens come like in what they call a kit. So it comes with a pen, it comes with refills. It comes, again, with these little bags, which in my opinion are useless. Just my opinion. And they come with the, what are these called? The gemmed spacers, right? And a lot of them. And then, of course, the 20 millimeter and 16 millimeter focal beads. These are just little bows that you can use for charms. Not good, in my opinion. They're useless up here. Right? If you want to use it as one of the beads on here, then it's useless. Okay. So what I did was I just made my own bead using little pearls in my stash, attached them onto here, and then put them on a jump ring and put them on a little charm spacer for the pen. And I think it's absolutely adorable. So there's that. And then the fuzzy beads, love those. Those are super fun. These spacer beads for the charms, it's essential. If you want to put a charm on, you're going to need something like this. And here are some little spacers here. Yeah, and then these watercolor bows that are really just beautiful. So I'm going to find a way to use them on here or, of course, some other project. So stay tuned because upcoming is how I make these little charmed pens. And they are so adorable. And let me just tell you, the only drawback for me is that the ink in them is only this big, right? The ink pen part. So they do run out quickly. However, I'll put a link below. They do have refills, right? And those, you know, you can purchase a lot of refills, but let me tell you, the pen works famously and I love using it for my notes, for my journal, for anything. It's nice, smooth writing, and I just really enjoy using it. So again, check the links below. And the only way that you're going to find out how to make these beautiful things is, of course, by subscribing, right? So hit all the buttons. Subscribe, like, hype, share, all that jazz, right? And I will thank you for your time because I know time is precious. I hope you enjoyed that. I cannot wait to get to making these pens because they are so much fun. And yes, again, I thank you for your time. I'm humbled and grateful that you choose to spend your time with me. I hope you enjoyed that little haul, bead haul, and look forward to the tutorial on how to make those really fun pens. And I hope you have a great rest of your day and a wonderful week. And I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.